Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install Omnisend email marketing and SMS on Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First, log in to your Shopify admin account. On the left-hand side, click on Apps to access the section where you can add tools to enhance your store. Use the search bar to type in Omnisend and press Enter. When the Omnisend app appears in the search results, click on it to open its dedicated app page. Next, click the Install button. Confirm any permissions Shopify requests to complete the installation. Once installed, Omnisend will open automatically on your dashboard, ready for setup. Follow the guided onboarding process carefully. This may include connecting your email and phone number, creating your first campaign, or importing your customer list. So that's basically how you can install Omnisend email marketing and SMS on Shopify. That's it for this video. Thanks.